And here's Regan working with his bees. There are bees everywhere. He has on a bee suit. I do not, so I'm not going to get close. Regan took these out of a house today. They're being transplanted to a new home where they can make honey and pollinate. And look at those bees. They are everywhere. Wow. Starting to feel just a little nervous. There's bees everywhere.